This is All India Radio, the news read by Valsa Williams. The Supreme Court today upheld the death sentence of the four accused in the Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case. Rejecting the plea of one of the convicts, Akshay Kumar Singh, seeking review of its 2017 judgment, a three-judge bench headed by Justice R. Bhanumati said they find no ground for review of the verdict. The bench said the contentions raised by the convict were already considered by the top court in the main judgment. Earlier, opposing the review plea, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told the court that the convict does not deserve any leniency. He said there are certain crimes where humanity cries, and this case is one of them. Mr. Mehta added that convicts in the case are making concerted efforts to delay the inevitable, and the law must take its own course soon. Nirbhaya's mother expressed satisfaction over the judgment. The government has taken several initiatives for the safety of women. The criminal law was amended last year to prescribe more stringent penal provisions, including death penalty for rape of a girl below the age of 12 years. Completion of investigation and trial in cases of sexual offence within 2 months has now been made mandatory. An online analytical tool for police called Investigation Tracking System for Sexual Offences was launched to monitor and track time-bound investigation in sexual assault cases in accordance with the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2018. The Supreme Court today decided to examine the constitutional validity of the Citizenship Amendment Act but refused to stay its operation. It issued notice to the centre on pleas seeking stay on the operation of the law as well as on the main petition challenging the constitutional validity of the legislation. A bench comprising Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde and Justices B.R. Gavai and Suryakant fixed the pleas, including those filed by the Indian Union Muslim League and Congress leader Jairam Ramesh for hearing on the 22nd of January next year. Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar has said that no citizen should be afraid of the Citizenship Amendment Act. He said intruders need to worry about this law, not the 130 crore citizens of India. He was speaking on the sidelines of an event in New Delhi today. Saying that there are 900 universities in the country, he stated that the government hears the issues of all students and is sensitive to them. A special court in Jaipur today convicted 4 out of the 5 accused in the 2008 Jaipur bomb blast case. One accused has been acquitted. Quantum of punishment will be announced later. Jaipur had witnessed serial bomb blast on 13th May 2008 at 8 different places of the walled city. 80 persons lost their lives and 185 others were injured in the incident. Police had arrested 5 accused out of 11 and filed charge sheet. In this case, 3 accused are absconding, while 3 persons are in prisons of Hyderabad and Delhi. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is chairing the GST Council meeting in New Delhi to review taxation structure for enhancing revenue collections. The centre released GST compensation of 35,298 crore rupees to states and union territories ahead of the meeting. The finance minister said each state and the centre's revenue department will have to make a lot of efforts to improve GST collection. GST revenue collection witnessed an impressive recovery with a positive growth of 6% last month as compared to the collections of the same month last year. The gross GST revenue collected in November was 1,03,492 crore rupees. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has said the people have deep-rooted trust in the democratic system of the country. This was proved in the last Lok Sabha general elections, which recorded 67% polling. Mr. Birla was speaking at the inauguration of the 79th Conference of Presiding Officers of State Legislatures in Dehradun today. He said the presiding officers are trying to raise and discuss the problems and issues of public importance in accordance with the parliamentary traditions. In cricket, the West Indies won the toss and opted to field in the second ODI against India at Visakhapatnam. India were 112 for no loss in 21 overs when last reports came in. The Caribbeans have taken a 1-0 lead in the 3-match series after registering a comfortable 8-wicket win over the hosts in the first ODI at Chennai on Sunday. And with that, we end this news bulletin.